When you feel tired, when you feel lost, when you feel like nothing is moving forward, remember this: you are closer to your dream than you think. Every struggle is shaping you. Every setback is preparing you. Your effort is not wasted. Your future is waiting. So before you give up, listen carefully, because this message might be exactly what you need today. Have you ever felt like you're pouring all your energy into a dream, but you're just not getting anywhere? You work hard, you stay focused, but the results you want seem so far away. It's that moment when a little voice in your head whispers, "Maybe it's time to give up." I'm here today to tell you to ignore that voice. Your dreams are so much closer than you think, and right now is the worst possible time to quit. Why do so many of us give up just before the breakthrough? It's because we can't see the progress happening beneath the surface. Imagine you're trying to break through a thick stone wall with a hammer. You hit it 100 times and nothing happens. You hit it 100 more times and still just a few tiny cracks appear. It feels pointless. But what you don't see are the thousands of microfractures forming inside the stone. Each hit, no matter how small, is weakening the entire structure. The final blow that shatters the wall isn't more powerful than the others. It's just the one that follows all the hard work that came before it. Your journey is exactly the same. Every small step you take, every book you read, every early morning you wake up, every time you choose discipline over distraction, it all counts. You might not see the wall crumbling yet, but you are creating those invisible fractures. Progress isn't always a giant leap. Most of the time, it's a slow, steady, and quiet accumulation of effort. You're building a foundation, and that takes time. Don't discount the small wins. They are the building blocks of your eventual success. The most powerful tool you have on this journey is your belief. What you truly believe about yourself and your potential will directly shape your actions. If you believe you're destined to fail, you'll unconsciously look for reasons to quit. You'll see every setback as proof that you're not good enough. But if you believe deep down that you're capable of achieving your dream, your entire mindset shifts. You'll start seeing challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Your actions will align with this belief, and you'll find the strength to push through when things get tough. Think about the stories of people you admire. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter was accepted. Walt Disney was fired from a newspaper because he lacked imagination. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. What did they all have in common? An unshakable belief in their vision, even when no one else saw it. They refused to let rejection define them. They chose to believe in their own potential, and that belief fueled their persistence. You can build this same self-confidence. It starts with small daily habits. Keep the promises you make to yourself. If you say you're going to wake up early, do it. If you say you're going to work on your project for 1 hour, do it. Each time you follow through, you send a powerful message to your brain. I am someone who does what they say they will do. You are building trust in yourself, one small action at a time. This self-trust is the foundation of unshakable confidence. Now, let's talk about the difference between motivation and discipline. Motivation is like a spark. It's exciting and powerful, but it can fizzle out quickly. It's what gets you started. Discipline, on the other hand, is what keeps you going. Discipline is the engine that drives you forward on the days when you have zero motivation, when you're tired, and when you feel like quitting. It's about showing up even when you don't feel like it. Why is discipline so much more reliable? Because it's a system, not a feeling. When you consistently apply effort, you are literally rewiring your brain. You're creating new neural pathways that make your desired habits automatic. The more you practice discipline, the easier it becomes. That hard work you're putting in isn't just about achieving a goal. It's about transforming who you are. You're turning hard work into your superpower. Anyone can work hard when they feel motivated, but the ones who succeed are the ones who work hard when they don't. Of course, no journey is a straight line. You will face failure. You will have setbacks. It's guaranteed. But the key is to change your relationship with failure. Stop seeing it as a dead end. Failure is not a barrier. It's a teacher. It's the universe giving you feedback, showing you what doesn't work so you can find what does. Every time you fail, you have a choice. You can let it crush you, or you can ask, what can I learn from this? When you get knocked down by disappointment, allow yourself to feel it, but don't stay down. The secret to rising again is to reconnect with your why. Why did you start this journey in the first place? What is the dream that sets your soul on fire? Remind yourself of that purpose. Then take one small step forward. Just one. Don't worry about the entire staircase. Just focus on that first step. Reframe the obstacle. It's not in your way. It is your way. The challenge you're refacing right now is the exact thing you need to overcome to become the person capable of achieving your dream. One of the hardest truths to accept is that real, meaningful success takes time. We live in a world of instant gratification where we expect overnight results, but that's not how it works. There's always an invisible progress phase. This is the period where you're putting in the work day in and day out, but the results haven't shown up yet. This is the stage where most people quit. They mistake the lack of visible results for a lack of progress. Don't fall into that trap. During this phase, your job is to trust the process. Keep planting the seeds, watering them, and nurturing them, even if you don't see any sprouts. The growth is happening under the ground, where you can't see it. When the results aren't showing, don't question your effort, double down on it. Refine your strategy, learn more, and keep going. Your breakthrough is being built in the unseen moments of consistent work. Life will inevitably hit you hard. There will be times when everything feels like it's falling apart, and your goals seem trivial in the face of real-world problems. This is when you need to rebuild your mental strength. Practice resilience. One simple exercise is to focus on what you can control. You can't control the economy. You can't control what others think, but you can always control your attitude and your effort. Focus your energy there. When the chaos of life threatens to pull you off course, return to your purpose. Write down your goals again. Visualize your success. Remember the feeling you're chasing. This purpose is your anchor in the storm. It will keep you steady and focused when everything else is swirling around you. Don't let a temporary storm make you abandon your journey to the destination. Your strength is not about never falling. It's about how you get back up time and time again. So I want to leave you with this final message, and I need you to really hear it. You are closer than you think. All that work, all those sacrifices, all those moments of doubt, they have all brought you to this point. You are standing right at the edge of your breakthrough. The wall is about to crumble. The seeds are about to sprout. Your future self, the one who is living your dream, who is happy, fulfilled, and proud, is looking back at you right now. They are cheering you on. They are begging you not to give up because they know what's on the other side. They exist because you, right now, in this moment, chose to keep going. Don't let them down. Don't let yourself down. Your journey has been tough, but it has made you strong. Everything you've been through has prepared you for this. Don't you dare give up now. Your dream is waiting for you. Go get it. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep pushing forward.